Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the Office build and exact Outlook version so you know which legacy release to target. Once done, save work and close all Office apps to avoid file conflicts. Make sure you have local admin rights and internet access. You'll need them to run switches or install older builds. If you're in a managed environment, check with IT before proceeding. Otherwise, continue to the next step to switch update channels or reinstall the desired build. Now change how Outlook updates by switching its update channel or reinstalling a specific build. Open an elevated command prompt and run the Office click-to-run configuration switch, or use the Office deployment tool with a custom XML to request the older build. If you have admin console access, pick the targeted channel there and deploy. Download the exact offline installer for that build and run it. This ensures Outlook replaces the current binaries with the older, stable files you chose. Finish by restarting your computer, then open Outlook and verify the version under File, Office Account, about Outlook to confirm the rollback. Next, disable automatic updates or set the update policy to your chosen channel to prevent it reverting. If you see missing features or UI glitches, repair Office from Programs and Features or clear the Office cache. That commonly resolves leftover conflicts. If problems continue, rerun the offline installer or contact IT with the exact build number for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.